And I am back with a craft with me video. This is just really just to show you that you can use anything to make something for your junk journal, and you know, this is a perfect example. As you all know from my videos, I've been shopping on AliExpress quite a lot, and one of the suppliers that I use, KS Craft, she sends these lovely cards with her product, you know, just telling us about her shop, and I love it. Look, it's a unicorn, and so I just want, you know, I save absolutely everything, so I'm going to make this into a tuck spot journal card for one of my journals, because I just love the unicorn. So I just thought, you know what, I'm going to put the camera on and I may as well show you that, you know, you can just basically turn anything into something for your journal. Do not throw anything away, especially if it has a gorgeous image like this. Now I have two of these cards. I had saved the other one and I don't know where it is, and what I'm going to do is this one I'm going to turn into a tuck spot journal card, but the other one I was going to actually cut out the unicorn to use on one of my pages. So when I find that, I'll use that in that way, but this one I'm going to turn into a journal card. So all I'm going to be using for this is just some of my scraps, and this is just some coffee dyed paper, some old book pages, some greaseproof paper. I don't know if I'm going to use all this yet. This is just some things that I've pulled out, and I thought what I would do, oops, clanking and all that here, is cover the back, because obviously this is her information which I have on my thing, so I don't need to remember all this. And I thought, well, I need to cover this, so all I thought I would do is just literally just cover this in coffee dyed paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is just glue this down, and I may even, I think I'm going to sew around it after as well. So let me just, what I'm going to do, because I'm going to sew around it, I'm not going to go right near the edge, and we're just going to put that on there like that. And then, where's my big scissors gone? We're just going to cut around this. Like that. So we don't need that anymore. And then what I'm going to do is start to decorate this bit, and then we can do the sewing afterwards. So I thought what I would do is just get, these are just old book pages, and I think what I'm going to do is just tear a piece big enough to cover this top piece like that. I think what I'm going to do is distress it first before I put it down. And I'm just using Pritt stick on here, glue stick I should say, and I'm going to put that, oops, that didn't glue down very well, did it? Oh, Channelle, what's going on? I think these glue sticks I've had for a while, and I have found that do not buy them too much in bulk, because some of them have actually dried out. I want to put something, some lace or something. What I'm going to do first, let me just distress the edges, because then it gives you more of an idea how much you want to distress it as well. And then what I'm going to do, just take off some of this white, because it's a very light here. Just to stress that up a little bit. Like that. And then I'm going to pull in my fabric little pot here. Oh. And just see if I can find something to, this is all my little scraps. I've got some tags here I need to finish there. Look, finding bits everywhere. I don't want to cover that up too much. I think that might be a bit much, won't it? That's a bit too much. Right, come on, Channelle. And you know what? I use this one all of the time because I love it. Not this time. Come on. I wonder if, actually, this is the hardest bit, is deciding what I'm going to put on it. Oh, these are quite pretty, actually. Quite like that. That's a possibility, definitely. I like ruffles, I must admit. This is my little pot of ruffles, and I'm running a little bit low on my ruffles. I don't want to cover that up too much. What about, let me have a look and see if a skinnier piece of lace might look better. Possibility. That's quite nice, isn't it? And then maybe put a little bit of that in the corner. I think that's what I'm going to go with. So let's put these all to one side again. I do not have enough space. Right. Okay, so what I do is just cut that to there for now. Get my Fabri-Tac. Put this down. Should I have sewn it first? I'm just thinking, because I need to put a lot of Fabri-Tac on here. I'm going to sew around this first because I don't want to get glue in my sewing machine. So I will be just going to sew all the way around, and I will be straight back. Right, okay, so I've just literally gone and sewn all the way around that. And what I'm going to do is get my Fabri-Tac. I just didn't want, see, I do like this bottom bit, but I don't want to lose. Oh, come on. Are you stuck and clogged up? Nope, it's coming out now. So I'm just going to pop this. I might have it hanging down a little bit, I think. And then we're just going to snip this off like so. And then what I'm going to do is just trim that up like that. And we're just going to put Fabri-Tac on here just to I'm terrible. I don't throw anything away. I really don't. And when I saw these cards, I was like, oh my gosh, love them, love them, love them. I'm going to put another one on, just a little bit of glue there to hold that down. like that. And what I'm going to do is I purchased, now what did I do with it? Let me just grab it. Oh no, what did I do with it? Channelle, what did I do with it? Bear with me, I'm just going to find this little die that I got just recently. Okay, well, I actually cannot find the little dies, which is a bit worrying because I've only just used them. I purchased a like a tab top die to cut out these little tabs that you put on the top of things, and I was going to show you it, but I'm going to be doing a, oh, there it is, look, there it is, don't worry. Right, okay, I purchased, let me grab these out of here. 2, 3, 4. It's a little die set from AliExpress, and it makes these little tabs, different tabs for your projects, which is really cool because you've got different designs. You've got this one here, which is quite a long one. You've got a little shorter one like that. You've got this one which has, which I would put more on the end like that, but you could put it in the middle like that. And there's a rounded one as well, which you could put like that. So I'm going to put, I think I like the long one. I'll put these in the description box below because they're really cute, and they were like, I do not know, they weren't very much. So I'm going to use that on the top like that. So we're going to glue this down. Let's put that there. Where's my glue gone? These are really cute and very inexpensive. I was going to buy a tab punch, but it's quite a lot of money. So I have a round one from Stampin' Up, and I also have the We Are Memory Keepers tab punch board, I think it's called, which I'll do a review on it at some point. I keep meaning to. So we're just going to glue that down like so. And then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to find one of my wordy book things. These are from Tim Holtz. They're the ideology books, and they're just really cool because they've just got lots of different words in them in black and white, and this one has smaller words, so I'm going to use one of the bigger ones because it's I like the bigger ones. So let's find Believe. I like that one. So I'm just going to take one of these and pop it back, and then I'm just going to use my distress ink and just distress this a little bit. Like that. I'm going to pop a bit of extra glue on it because I have found that these are not too sticky. Shall I put something underneath it, like a bit of lace or something? I think I'm going to find a little scrap of lace or something to put underneath it, I think. Ah, that'll do. Perfect. So I'm just going to cut a... This is that lovely net that you get on the roll. I love it. It's just brilliant because you only need... See, I don't even need that much, look. I cut too much off. I need a little bit like that. Oh, that looks perfect. So we're just going to use some Fabri-Tac. and pop that down. I haven't got any wipes, have I? Nope, you wouldn't have, would you, Channelle? And then we're just going to get some, put some more on here. And put that there. And pop that back in there. And then you have a really lovely little journal card that you can slip into a pocket that way or sideways. And look how you've just turned something that, you know, all right, you might not throw it away, but, you know, you can turn it into something really lovely. Look, I just love it, love it, love it, love it. Use old birthday cards. You could do this with a birthday card, actually. Yeah, that's a good idea. Birthday cards, you know, so this is a great way of you keeping, you know, cards that people have sent you. Oh, hello. It's about time you said hello. You've missed out on the last couple of videos. Have you come to say hello, have you? People miss you when you don't turn up. Yes, because you're beautiful. Let me just... Here he is. Say hello, everybody. Yes, everyone misses you when you don't show up. But Mummy's been up here a while now, hasn't she? Oh, there he is. He's going to sit there because he wants Mummy's love. He's a little monkey. So, yes, this just goes to show you that don't throw anything away. Like I said, old, you know, birthday cards, gift cards, I don't know. You know, that sentimental. You can keep them and put them in your journals, and even keep the bit with the written message on the back if you wanted to. But there you go, a gorgeous little journal card tuck spot. You could use it as a tuck spot. Don't put the tag on, and just use it as a tuck spot even. But I love it, really cute. Just wanted to share that with you. A little bit of crafting, and Charlie and I are going to go and have some lunch now, aren't we? He's a beautiful boy. Where's your brother? Oh, look, I just have to show you if I can. This is Lewis. Say hello, everyone. Sometimes he gets shut in my craft room because he hides in here, don't you? He's a little monkey, aren't you, Chuck? No, this is Lewis. And this is, yes, she's a naughty boy. What doing? He's like, Mum, what you doing, Mum? Oh, Mum. Who's this? Hello, Looby Loos. Right, that is it for me. Oh, I can't back up now. I should never do that, should I? Get down there because I never get back up. Look at the state of my floor. Please ignore the mess. Ignore the mess. I've trashed my craft room again. Haven't I, Charles? Right, everyone, I am going, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.